don't really know what I'm doing. Something around there. Trying to make a shirt for this guy. I think it's about there. Maybe that's it. Let's see. That should do it. Go a little longer, just in case. Measure this. That's about 1 inch. That's pretty close. Let's see, how did this go? Alright. How did this work? I wonder how they make these in real life. What the hell do I know about cooking a shirt? Nice. Let's see. Seems like it would work. We draw the shirt onto a shirt. What the hell? Oh. Oh, there we are. I'm about to give up on this bloody thing. Okay, now pull these to the back. I think I figured it out. After many errors. Alright. Nice. It worked. Hallelujah. Okay, now for the real try. Shit, this is gonna be hard. I'll start up here. Right. I'll start up here. Maybe. I don't know how to do this. Not sure. Well, can always try again. Alright. Nice. I'll try over here. Pieces there. Shit. Man, that was not a good idea. This is hotter than I thought it would be. I'll try the other side, just to be sure. This over here, and I should probably make this bigger, and then cut it out, or I don't know. Okay, let's do it. What the hell do I know about sewing a shirt? Don't break on me now. Okay, this is just the first draft, so I don't know. Oh. Alright. Oh, I almost got that. A bloody mess. Getting there. Now for the top. Yeah, so next time I'll have to. Shit, I don't know how to do this. Oh, I know. I'll put this over here. And next time I'll just have to make it wider on all sides. Alright, nice. It's gonna be a ratty shirt, but it'll work. It'll do, pig. It'll do. This is the first time I use this thing. So sometimes it gets stuck. like something's gone wrong here. Alright. What's I doing here? Yes. There, perfect. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous shit. Alright, it's kind of like the shirt from my finger. Okay, now almost done. Oh, I need to do this part. But how? That's the question. This is the hard part. This curve here. Getting it. Whatever. The next one will be good. Okay, that's not bad. For my first time years using this. Alright, just get, well, maybe I'll do these. I guess I can close this. This is cool. Now I can sew stuff. I always dreamed I could do that. Another one of these deals. And then the other side, and we're done. I think. I'll probably just hand sew these things. Alright, I'm gonna try to. Wait, I'll get rid of this extra string. Now we do the flippity trick. Come on. This is a lot of shirts today. This is hard. To put it on like a real shirt. It's too tight. It's like Dexter, the cancer patient. that's how you do it. Alright, this is a better one I did. It came out better anyway. I have to fix some things, but it's better than the other one, I think, which is here. I have to tighten it a little. It's pretty cool. This time what I did was put this on the fabric, traced around it, and I made, and then I folded it, but I kept this big space around it. It's easier to sew, and then I just cut out the outline. So that's probably the real way to do it.